Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs midfielder Thabo Cele has been left out of the team that has departed for their pre-season camp in Spain. Amakhosi flew out on Thursday, the 9th of July 2026, for their preparations for the 2026-27 campaign, with several friendly matches scheduled under the guidance of Fernando da Cruz. The Soweto Giants will play 3 friendlies between the 10th and the 19th of July before returning to South Africa to continue their preparations. They are set to play Glasgow Rangers on the 12th of July, Al Kholood on the 15th of July, and Elche on the 18th of July. However, Thabo Cele was not included in that squad, with the midfielder appearing increasingly likely to leave the club ahead of the new campaign. Cele joined Chiefs in January 2025 after the club pursued his signature for an extended period of time. He arrived on a free transfer following his departure from Russian side Fakel Voronezh. He made an impressive impact during the second half of the 2024-25 season, helping the Soweto Giants to lift the Nedbank Cup, ending the club's 10-year wait for silverware. However, his progress last season was disrupted by injury, which affected his momentum and limited his influence. And he has made 36 appearances across all competitions. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think is happening between Kaizer Chiefs and Thabo Cele? And do you think that you will leave Kaizer Chiefs? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Gaston Sirino has not returned training with Kaizer Chiefs following the arrival of head coach Fernando da Cruz, with the Uruguayan effectively now a free agent after his contract expired. Sirino's deal at Naturena came to an end on the 30th of June, although discussions were held behind the scenes over the possibility of extending his stay on revised term. No agreement has been reached, and the 35-year-old has not been invited to train with the first team since Fernando da Cruz has arrived. Now, with the Soweto Giants traveling to Spain for their pre-season tour, Sirino is not part of those plans, further suggesting that his time at the club may be drawing to a close. Amakhosi signed the Uruguayan forward on a free transfer 2 years ago following his exit from Mamelodi Sundowns. At the time, Sirino was seen as a marquee recruit for the Glamour Boys. The player remained part of the core team at Chiefs last season as he managed an impressive 27 appearances across all competitions, as the Soweto Giants finished third in the Betway Premiership campaign, their best position in 7 years. While Chiefs are yet to make an official announcement regarding the player's departure, it's now believed no contract has been offered, and there are currently no indication that the situation will change. Sirino is currently training alone as he awaits the next chapter of his career.